loud noise call, and I think the guy said it was taking a long time to heat up. I think they had it set for 72, but it was only 70 in the house, so let's see if we can get some footage from a fishing pole. Beautiful day. It's about 50 degrees outside today. Feel good to work for yourself, I tell you. Get to enjoy this beautiful day. No hurries, no worries.
Dog, you can't be fucking around trying to wait for help and shit.
Yeah.
So pretty much, dog, what's going on with it's like if I turn on the unit,
Okay.
it's like a loud buzzing noise.
Okay.
Like a
Outside or inside?
outside.
Outside?
On the
Condenser right there?
yeah, on
Okay.
the unit.
Okay.
And so like nothing happened, and a couple days ago the fan was spinning, but since then the fan quit spinning.
Okay.
So I don't know if it's like compressor or what, but this is like we always have a problem.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I've been hoping somebody to come in here through this warranty and be like, oh yeah, this needs to be replaced, but that ain't happened yet.
Yeah.
So you have multiple calls on it?
Yeah. All right. So I'm thinking it's just like an older unit, and
Well, what year was the house built?
12.
2012?
Yeah.
So about 10 years old.
Yeah.
The original unit.
Yeah. And then I figure also,
Yeah, the
you know, like they did like the.
It looked like a new compressor. That's not the original compressor. You got a new compressor put in here once before, huh?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh yeah, I can tell.
Yeah, we just bought this house.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I can tell that compressor been replaced before. And you got a heat pump. Yeah, got 2 filter dryer. And the fan not turning on at all now? All right, turn the unit on for me at the thermostat. Let's see, we got a bag cap or a bag motor. I need a new motor. Alright y'all, so I'm just gonna post this camera up right here because I'm cold. I don't do the cold. Ain't about 50 some degrees out here. Let me pull my thermometer out. I got some hats that say washing AC and heating, but I had this out the closet, so I just grabbed it. So we ain't messing today. We just gotta get these for some heat. This is a heat pump right here, so the heating or the cooling won't work with the fan. I was gonna get the OEM motor in for this unit, but I'll carry. They don't even have none in stock. The OEM motor for this is like I think we're like $278. So, but I've been having some good with the Econo Master, some good motors. So that's the OEM motor right here. Watch this, you can see the price. I think that was it too. Like $297. Which I was gonna go back with it, but like I said, they don't have any in stock. So I might well just go ahead and put this one in. Compressor already been changed out before. Unit 10 years old. Not in warranty. Alright y'all, so I am not trying to do this for no speed or anything, just bear with me. I'm just gonna roll the camera. Condenser fan motor replacement. Alright. I do. I always forget to bring my little magnet tray, but we'll set these right here. And I got a big magnet tray with a bunch of screws in there. So make sure it's mounted good. So if I ever misplace any screws, I got a bunch of backups. All right. This motor probably just normal wear and tear. Somebody asked me why do I sand the bottom of the shaft. Sometimes, I think on my last video, I sand the bottom of the shaft, but the motor came right off. Sometimes it'll get stuck. Sometimes I just get a pulley. All right, let me stop it though. I'm gonna have to go get some sandpaper. So this motor old though. Sometimes I probably can just loosen that set screw. It might come right off, but I don't want to take a chance. Alright, so I got my sandpaper. Remember, y'all like, subscribe, comment. As far as comments, I'm going to answer. Somebody left a comment and asked why I don't reply to the comments. And I do sometimes, but I'm not obligated. When I first started YouTube, I mean, I was just doing it for fun. Now YouTube, my channel is monetized, and YouTube do pay me, but I'm not obligated to, answer no comments. I don't have any, because I really don't like social media. I don't have no social media accounts. I don't have Instagram. I don't have Facebook. You're not gonna find me on any of that. But at first, YouTube, when I first started, YouTube really wasn't no social media thing. It's becoming more of a social media kind of like a platform though. But I don't do the social media. You just can't contact me when you feel that, you can contact me. But anyway, like I say, I'm not obligated to, even YouTube reach out to me and be like, for you to get more subscribers, want to start participating more, as far as comments and stuff like that, comment on comments. Like I say, when I first started this channel though, I wasn't looking for no subscribers. I appreciate all the subscribers and I appreciate the money. But sometimes I'm gonna get around to it and answer some of the comments, but like I say, please, I'm not obligated to do that. Like I say, I post these videos for fun. That's another thing too, my audience. My audience went for at first like, technicians, and then it went from, just technician in the field, it went for technician want to be business owner, so I got technician want to be business owner, and not customers. I really wasn't expecting customers because when I first started this channel, I didn't have my own company. I was just a technician, just having fun. Now I also have people that sometimes reach out to me and like my work and want me to come and maybe troubleshoot their unit. So I have that audience too. So that's why I just really continue to just post my troubleshooting videos. So I gotta kind of like narrow that niche down. Can't please everybody though. So I gotta kind of like say narrow my niche down. Like I say, I'm gonna keep doing this because I kind of wanted to. Cause the money is good, don't get me wrong. So. But it's not that many technicians that want to be business owners, so I can't really just hone in on technician to business owner. Because man, this freedom right here, that's really what I'm about. And start learning a trade, branch out on your own. And that's not for everybody too, because don't get me wrong, I love to do this, but it's a lot of work. I probably work more now on my own. Not physically, but it's more involved and own your own business, you got to do a lot, wear a lot of hats now. So I may make this look easy, and I do want to probably start doing more videos of, you know, my day-to-day, what I do every day. So, behind the scenes though, because I got this thing running like a well-oiled machine. And as far as comments too, I'm not on YouTube timeline. You know, I'm just enjoying myself. Other YouTubers that use comments, they may have this other thing planned for my life or my business, you know, just blow up, be big, have a bunch of commercials, hundreds of trucks on the road. I might just want to be me. I might just want a little, you know, the service company, a couple technicians. So, but I'm on my constant growth. I invest in my company, and sometimes I can even get overwhelmed as far as the calls that come in. Now, you know, I stay busy. Even though I haven't been posting a lot of videos lately, I stay busy. Get calls every day. Service call, install. So I pick and choose what I want to post. I mean, sometimes, you know, I might record and don't post. I still got stuff that I could post. It's just an update though. Like I say, somebody wanted me to do a update video on my business. I need to do that too. But I just gotta find the time and kind of like how I want to narrate it, or what needs to be said, and how much revenue. Like HVAC, somebody always told me, and that's pretty much where I am right now. Every truck that you see on the road, a minimum, at least need to be making at least 200,000. I think that's kind of where I'm at this far as a year. But that's my goal though. Eventually I get there though. Get a couple more trucks on the road, 200,000 a piece. Minimum. So you get 5 trucks on the road, that's $1 million. Like I say though, we'll see how, like I say, because the business is gonna grow, man. I've been steady growing. Started my business 2018, steady growing. Your business every year, so I like the natural growth. I get to the point where I feel like I need another technician, I need a truck, I need a couple more trucks. It's gonna naturally come. Debt free. So I just like the freedom though. When I work for a company, right now, if I know what I know now, I don't mind making less if I gotta be out on my own than work for a company. I'll tell you that. But, you know we're gonna make a lot more on your own. I know sometimes I get long-winded though, but a lot of times they like to work in peace though, do my thing. I don't do a lot of talking. But I'm gonna have to cut that shaft. Let that marinate a little bit. Carriers right here. I bet you I'm gonna have to cut that shaft on my motor. Hope not. Yeah, that'll come on up. Y'all see what we got. Put this right here. Yeah, so like I say, comment, I get around to it. Like I said, I want to do it live or something though. Just answer a bunch of questions. A lot of times too, man. Like I said, I've been doing this. Got over 500 some videos. A lot of the comments be the same question. Same question. Where you get your logo made. So sometimes you can go back to some of the videos and look at where I comment. The wrench a little bit too big for this. Long this shaft here, man. Dang. No, that ain't gonna work. Shout out to the guy in the comments that taught me how to do that. Mount your motor right. My 1132 in my other bag. Yeah, man, I do this for fun. I don't owe no explanation on nothing that I do, nothing that I drop. Like I say, I'm my own boss. I just do this YouTube stuff for fun. So, even if I misdiagnose a system, it's my problem, my responsibility. I'm the boss. But I ain't got to answer to nobody but the customer. So let that be clear. Yeah, let that be clear. Won't wash it, don't answer nobody but the good Lord up above. run my truck and get my 1132. Alright, y'all, I had to get this saws off. It's 1132 right here. Make my job a whole lot easier. Alright, I'm gonna look on that other motor and see if I can get the rotation. Getting tight. Rotation was clockwise. Clockwise, I think these already set up for clockwise. Let's see here. Clockwise, yellow, purple. Clockwise, yellow, purple. So these are set up for counterclockwise, so we need to change these to yellow, purple. All right, so we got this set up for yellow, purple. Gotta remember, this ground is pretty much already grounded on the chassis of the unit frame. So we're just gonna break this off here. Pop all the ring hole out. All right, let's see what we got here, y'all. All right, so we're about right here. All right, tighten this one up here. And then, hopefully I can cut it with this sawzall. All right, my safety glasses. right, we got that.
My first and second grade was in two-room school. Well, on the other side of that building, it was, I know it sounds like ancient history, but it wasn't. It's just that it was in rural Mississippi at the time. On one side was the first through the third, the other side was the fourth through the sixth. All of my siblings were in the same school. Now, okay, when I say this to you, that means that teacher, her name was Miss Cook, Fanny Cook. She had to have, we who were in the first grade in our row taught this, and then she went to the second grade, which was just a row over. And what we had to do was be there prepared to learn. Prepared to learn. I think what we have now are children who are just not prepared to learn. And I don't doubt that a lot of times that begins in the home. You know, when I came home from school, I was prepared to learn. It was like, there's no ifs, buts, or ands. We didn't have any computers. It was like you grabbed that Metallica Junior or you and you did this very hard. And I think we just don't have our else anymore.
I got one more question. I know it's kind of a rhetorical question too at the same time, but I would like to see with all this. But how far do you think our kids are behind in other countries like Japan and China? They're higher than our kids, or do you think they're about the same?
I'll be back and I'm just going to listen to you. I'll be back.
Long Beach, Waveland, Goshen, Gulfport, the all-new JZ 94.5.
You know what's nice? You drive right now, everywhere. Get a Lily, talk to Reggie at the counter, and get a freshly made 100% beef double meat Whataburger with milk and cheese and fresh cut veggies, modified and fun. It's just the delicious freedom you have living in the land where there's Whataburger. Of course, some people aren't in the land. Wonder what they're doing right now. Probably thinking about a road trip. Just like you like it.
You should take this up right here. I don't know if we got a piece of tape though, so I'm gonna try to.
Terms and conditions apply. See store for details.
Coastal Family Health Center offers free one-on-one assistance to those needing health insurance during the Affordable Care Act open enrollment. Now, January 15th, open enrollment for individuals.
Alright, y'all, bear with me. I'm gonna do this one at a time.
Affordable Care Act can enroll Postal certified application.
Bear with me, I went the long way. Yeah. I don't think the water will hurt these. They're just for cosmetic. Cover the wires up. Telling the homeowner, it's definitely not the original compressor. Alright, so I'll be very careful with the drill not to strip these fan holes out. Treat it like a handheld screwdriver. You can use these drills, you gotta know how to work your drill. You wanna grind it out. Alright, so we're gonna need to put a new capacitor on there because I need a 7.5 for my oh man, I thought they had a scrap on here already. Let's see here. So mine, this yellow right here is gonna be the common. Okay. And this blue is gonna be the compressor, which is the Herm. All right. And if I wanted to, I can do away with the brown and white. I'm just gonna hook it up to the common. If I can get this thing off here. So this black and white right here is gonna go to this common. This brown is gonna go to the fan. All right, and I'm gonna go get some spades to hook this black right here. Or you can just stick them down in here, but let's see if I got some spades handy. Go to the truck anyway, but it just pulled out of there. This like I say, for now we're just gonna stick this in here. Won't hurt a thing. That's what I didn't want to do right there, but it's okay. I apologize, y'all. I know this is a sloppy video. Camera angle probably all over the place. I get enough scrap for that. All right, do we feel confident enough to test it out? I think so. Sound a lot better there. I can't remember. This motor was loud. I don't know if I let it run long enough in the video that y'all heard it, but I heard it right away. You can hear the bearings in here. Yeah. For compressor amps, 21.1. So I guess the right thing to do is get a sharp and put the new fan motor amp rating right here. But anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. I'm going to wrap this up and run to the next one. Got a no cool call, and the guy said the unit is leaking, and he thinks it's leaking in the evaporator core. Got water leaking and evaporator, refrigerant leaking. All right, catch you on the next one, y'all. Thanks for watching.